The impact of cancer-associated adipocytes on prognostic value of CD8 and CD45 T lymphocytes in tumor and bone marrow and survival of patients with gastric cancer with obesity. By L. Bubnovskaya, I. Ganusevich, S. Mirinsev, and D. Ozinski. Background: epidemiological data demonstrate that obesity is a strong cancer risk factor for recurrence and survival and is linked to more aggressive characteristics of the major common cancers. It is considered that high generalized tumor inflammatory infiltrate could be a good prognostic marker. At the same time, T-cells' role in actual human cancer remains largely unknown. In this aspect, it has to be noted that the publications concerning the evaluation of the prognostic value of CD8 plus CD45 Rho plus T lymphocytes in tumor and bone marrow (BM) under overweight and obesity are limited, especially in the clinical setting concerning gastric cancer. Aim: this study determines whether CAA density as well as hypoxia in tumors affect the prognostic value of TILs and CD8 plus and CD45 Rho plus cells in BM and evaluates their impact on disease outcome in patients with GC, stratified by body mass index, BMI. Patients and methods: immunohistochemical and immunocytochemical examinations, 31p NMR spectroscopy, and statistical analysis were used. Results: according to the findings, 39.5%, 46.4%, and 89.5% of patients with BMI less than 25, BMI greater than 25 less than 30, and BMI greater than 30, respectively, had high CAS greater than M in tumors. When tumors of patients with BMI less than 25, BMI greater than 25 less than 30, and BMI greater than 30 were characterized by the high density of CAS, a high number of CD8 plus T cells was detected in 58.8.1%, 37.5% and 16.6%, and CD45 Rho plus T cells in 57.8%, 41.4% and 30.7% of cases, respectively. Moreover, 82.4%, 87.5% and 92.3% and 83.6%, 65.6% and 93.2% of patients with BMI less than 25, BMI greater than 25 less than 30, BMI greater than 30, respectively had CD8 plus and CD45 Rho plus T cells in BM. Obtained results have shown that tumor hypoxia does not associate with the presence of CD8 plus and CD45 Rho plus T cells in BM and, probably, does not influence their activity. Patients with obesity having a high density of CAS in tumors but with slight infiltrating of TILs demonstrated unexpectedly better OS than patients with normal weight having significantly shorter OS. It may be suggested that the high density of CAS in tumor play a key role in the OS of patients. Conclusion: obtained results have shown that the density of CAS but not tumor hypoxia has a strong influence on the prognostic value of TILs as well on OS in patients with GC in according with BMI. No association was observed between the prognostic value of CD8 plus T and CD45 Rho plus T cells in BM and OS of patients under obesity. Understanding the metabolic changes that occur in obese individuals may help to pave the way for more effective treatments for patients with gastric cancer having overweight. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.